What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to teach you how to make two versions of a Moscow Mule. First one is going to be with your standard ginger beer, and the second one is going to be with a homemade ginger syrup. The link will be in the description where you can see how you can make your own ginger syrup. We're going to start out with a copper mug, 2 ounces of vodka, ½ ounce of lime juice, perfect. We're going to fill it up with ice. We're going to put in our ginger beer. And we're going to give it a stir. Just a little bit, get it mixed up. And finally, top it off with ice. And we're going to throw in a little lime. So that is our first one. So we're going to put that off to the side and do a little taste testing with it. And we're going to put that right there to remind us which one, because as the mug says, I don't always remember. And on your second mug, we're going to go same thing. 2 ounces of vodka, ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. We're going to go 3/4 ounce of our fresh ginger syrup. I'm going to add ice. And we're going to top off with some soda water. Pellegrino, mineral water, something carbonated, whatever you want to use. Whether it's club soda or mineral water, sparkling. Just don't do tonic water. Give it a little stir. Top off with a little more ice. Can't forget our garnish. And there you have it, 2 different ways. So now we taste. I'm using Reed's Extra. Oh yeah, that's so good. It's really quite tasty. Really is very refreshing. Now let's taste the homemade syrup way. Not quite as sweet, not quite as gingery as the Reed's. However, that has more of a cleaner taste on my palate. All the flavors are there. You're able to taste the ginger. You're able to, obviously, not taste the alcohol in it whatsoever, but the flavors are more clean, more crisp. The carbonation is there. My opinion, we're gonna have to do another professional taste testing here. It's not a syrupy ginger beer, if that makes any sense. Although this is not filled with corn syrup, it doesn't have that fake artificial flavor to it. It's not artificial sweeteners. This is a very good ginger beer. However, it's not as crisp. If I'm looking to drink something all day and not get overwhelmed with all the sweetness to it, I'm definitely going with more of a wholesome approach to the palate. Crushable, in my opinion, for all day drinking. You could definitely tell that one is more commercial, so to speak. Again, I'm not against anything quick, fast. It definitely serves a purpose. It also serves the I'm very used to it approach. However, if I'm looking to do something for myself, I'm definitely going to use the homemade version of it, just because it leaves a cleaner taste on my palate. And I'm sure you guys would agree. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think, and don't forget to hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe. Back to flavoring.